I remember one time when a friend of mine asked, "Who uses DSLRs nowadays?" Well, to my surprise, he doesn't even know much about the industry, despite being a gadget reviewer himself. I simply told him that many of us, camera enthusiasts, including some of my filmmaker and media buddies, still use them to this day. Take my friend, Bintang, for example. He uses his trusty 7D because its quality remains acceptable in today's video market. It's not as if most people will be watching the results on a 4K monitor. No, the audience for this particular project will be using mobile phones. Those screens are smaller than an HD laptop monitor. For us, cameras are the tools we use to create. But it's the individuals behind these cameras who are the true artists. So, which one are you? Are you the person who frets over the camera itself? Or are you the one who knows how to wield it?